Hi there, welcome to different Turkish lessons. My name is Yasun. Today I will help you learn how to say years with dates in Turkish. I hope it's going to be a great lesson for you all. I will make it as easy and as enjoyable as I can possibly. So for this title we say in Turkish yılların or senelerin söylenişi. Yılların or you can say senelerin söylenişi. All right, now let's see now how we say in Turkish dates, and the years in Turkish. One simple example is you see here 1900. So in English as you see 1900, you can say, but in Turkish we break down one by one, which I mean like this. For example, 1900, 1900, 1900. 1900. So 1900 means 1900. So let's see, as I said, how we break down this one by one. First we say bin, which is 1000. After we say next number, which is 9, 1900. Okay, 1900. 1900, which means 1900. 1900. So as you see here, we say like this, 1900. Alright, this is the example how we normally say years and dates as well in Turkish. Let's see more examples to help you learn. So here 1923 in English, and in Turkish we say, as I said, one by one. We say first 1000, 1000, after 900, 900, 1900, 1900, after 23, 23. As you see here, this is how we say in Turkish if you translate it into English. 1923. So let's see more example. 2000 or 2000. It's same as in here, this example. 2000, same as in Turkish. 2, which is 2000 means bin. 2000. So let's see here 2006 or 2006. 2006 is the same way in Turkish. 2006. 2006. Let's see here 2019, 2019, same as in Turkish. This example 2019, same example in Turkish. 2019. 2019. 2019. Let's see here the dates with months. Here 23 October 1923. So in Turkish we say 23 Ekim. First we put a number. 23 Ekim. 23 Ekim 1923. 23 like this. 23, which is here. 23. 1923. 1923. 1923. So here 1, 9, 2, 3. 1923. 1923. So let's see here a dialogue how we say the birthday. Doğum günün ne zaman, which is when's your birthday in English. Doğum günün ne zaman? Doğum günün ne zaman? Doğum günün ne zaman? Doğum günün ne zaman? I just put an example here actually. 25, 25, 25, 25, 25 Kasım, November, 25 Kasım, 25 Kasım. Or you may hear maybe sometimes Kasım'ın 25'i, Kasım'ın 25'i. But usually we prefer first number after the month itself for talking about birthdays. So this is how we say years and dates in Turkish. I hope it's been a nice lesson for you. All you can do is to repeat or review the lesson again one more time. Don't forget to use your tongue to pronounce those words in Turkish. So in that way that you can make progress. All right, don't forget to subscribe and like our lesson again one more time. And thank you very much for your time. Bye for now.